Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Galego26, and in this video I will show you how to add a subscribe button to your YouTube videos. So first we're going to go to Google and then we will type here subscribe button GIF. Okay, subscribe button GIF, and then click images. Then click tools, and under the color choose the transparent. So this is the different subscribe button. So you can download or you can make your own. So we will try to download this one. Okay, save image as, try to sub button. Okay, save. Then we'll go to YouTube and then we will sign in. I already signed in. Then click the go to YouTube Studio. Then in the left side click the settings, then the channel, and then click the branding. So here you can add the subscribe button. So I'm going to remove, and then I will choose another image. So I will choose this one, the one that we download, then open. So for the display time you can choose either of the three. So I will try to use this custom art start time. Okay, and then click save. So it will change. So I'll try to refresh. Then we will try to go to my channel and then we try to click some videos and we will check if the subscribe button was already changed. Here, try to play this video. Okay, so the subscribe button here is different and it was already changed. So that's it. That's the way how to add a subscribe button on your YouTube videos. So thank you and have a great day.